Hey guys, thanks for joining me. Today we're going to take a look at the Orzly Nintendo Switch Lite carry case. So here it is. It's got a sleek, simple exterior made from a shockproof, lightweight EVA material that's smooth to the touch. The unassuming design doubles as a safety feature, as you may not want to make it obvious that you or your kids are carrying around a $200 gaming device. There are two zips and a flexible handle with a nice grip for easy carrying. Also, there's a ring tab that you can clip a wrist strap to or other accessories when you need it. The logo is subtle and helps you know which side is up, so you always open it the right way round. When you open it up, the first thing you'll see is the built-in game card holder. It has space for 8 game cards, and that's enough for a great selection of games when you're on the go, or if you're all digital, it'll fit your microSD cards with ease. We thought about adding more, but that would be overkill and would mean a bulkier case. We wanted to strike a good balance between the size and how much you could carry. Also, imagine if you lost a case with 20 plus games in it. The reverse has this soft microfiber material. It's going to be in contact with your screen to make sure that it's protected and that you don't get scratches. Not only is the games holder great for storage, it also doubles as a stand for your Nintendo Switch Lite. Great for when you want to watch multimedia content like YouTube, or dive into some split-screen multiplayer. The base has this soft non-abrasive material and is modeled specifically for your Nintendo Switch Lite. It's got recesses on each side to make sure that the triggers are held comfortably. This design choice also makes it compatible with many grip-style cases. There's 2 elastic straps that will hold your console in place to make sure that it doesn't move around when you're traveling. Here's our testing prototype to show you how your Switch will fit in the case. Our top compartment is designed for easy access and maximum capacity. The open top design gives you the flexibility to store what you need when you need it, and we've added a zip pocket to store any small or loose accessories that may fall out of the larger one. For example, I've got a battery pack in the main compartment and I've placed my headphones and cables and extra thumb grips into the zip compartment. This flexibility lets you swap things out on the fly. If you knew you might get into some split-screen multiplayer, you could easily swap out your power brick for extra Joy-Cons and a play stand, and the case will still zip up comfortably. So that's the Orzly Nintendo Switch Lite carry case, a compact case that can hold everything you need when you're gaming on the go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.